Alright, so today I'm too excited to announce that I got an Asus Zenbook 14S, and this laptop is gonna actually be very helpful throughout my studies and throughout the project that I do on the channel for you guys. So I thought to unbox it here today with you. It looks weird that I'm unboxing in the home's reception, but I will unbox it anyway, just in case. Wasn't that suspense one? I got my first laptop, which was a Microsoft Surface Laptop Go. So this is an upgrade to me, kind of thing. So yeah, I'm kind of seeing this for the first time. I've only seen that laptop only in only in the videos on YouTube. So hopefully, so there is only two boxes. This one is empty here. We'll put that aside for now. And that one that fell also is empty. So I put that aside. Okay, so let's start with the smaller one and see what's in it. Oh, so that's your power cable here. Yeah. Yep, that's understandable. And that's it in here. That's all what's in here. So it's a power cable. Nothing else. Alright then. So let's see the laptop itself. Ready? Look at the Asus logo. Oh, that's so satisfying. Wow. No, actually, wow. That's impressive. It's the laptop itself. We'll come back to that later. I always wanted the white color, so I got the white color because the white color is the best color ever you could get. So some paperwork here, including the warranty, in search of incredible. Oh yeah, that's the. Yeah, no, actually Asus has done a good job because this laptop comes with the Lunar Lake. So yeah, the Lunar Lake processors are so good. So yeah, the Intel Lunar Lake, we're getting at least 13 hours of battery life and very comparable performance to all of these like the people who are, and there is nothing else down here, and all of these like people who keep talking about the Mac with their MacBook Airs and all of that stuff. So now we're this is in the Windows world, flagship of Windows world. Alright, so we'll just unbox that one. Oh, this always happens. Expect it to happen. I didn't want to cut it that way. It's not satisfying, but it is what it is. Sorry. I'm ruining the vibe now. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So it's made of cerulean or ceramic and aluminum. It's a mixture of both, and that's the laptop. So I will release another video where I do actually feel so cold to the touch. Do you wanna feel it? Ahmed is the cameraman. Do you wanna feel it actually? It's too cold to the touch. But anyway, he's not interested. But yeah, so yeah, that's the laptop. And look at the screen. It's a 14.4-inch display. Yeah, and I will. Yeah, the most thing about it that it has the Intel Core Ultra, which is the one that is it's the Lunar Lake. So yeah, and that's the trackpad. We'll remove that one. So you can look how satisfying that is. Even the sticker has the gestures. Like look at the gestures on the sticker. So good. Okay, so that is it for now. I will release another video talking about more specs in relation to that laptop later on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.